process. Ms. Junami, please start.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning. Everyone, as the Comelec Chair, I want to remind you that our job is to ensure clean, honest, accurate, and credible election.
We'll begin accepting nominations and candidacy filings starting today until tomorrow afternoon.
And don't worry, we will discriminate all candidates fairly without favoritism.
We will strictly implement the campaign rules. No vote buying, no bullying, no fake promises, and no cheering loud posters.
So, good day everyone. I'm in charge of the ballots and election supplies, making sure it's secure.
Good morning. I'm here to file my candidacy for president.
Complete requirements approved. You are now officially a candidate.
Hi, I'd like to run for presidency. President Bordo.
You're qualified as well. Just make sure to follow the campaign guidelines.
Okay, fill out both of your names on the official list of candidates.
Here is the official list of candidates. Everyone will now begin campaigning starting tomorrow.
Remember, Comelec will monitor all campaign activities.
Any violation will be recorded and may lead to penalties.
Cleaner surroundings, and more student engagement. My goal is to make our voice louder and make sure every student concerned is heard.
So far, their campaigns follow the rules.
Yes, but let's still observe. Fairness is our priority.
Good day everyone. Thank you for your cooperation. The debate will be held tomorrow.
Welcome to the Student Government Presidential Debate. Each candidate has 1 minute to answer questions.
If you wait, how will you improve the school environment?
I'll propose weekly clean-up drives with incentives for each class.
And what will you do about the historical claim?
Okay, I'll set up an anonymous submission box so everyone can speak freely.
Great job, candidates, and great job, Comelec, for organizing a fair debate.
Good morning. Voting is now open. Please fall in line and prepare your IDs.
So here are your ballots. Remember, do not mark anything except the box beside your chosen candidate. So here are your ballots.
Dahil sana manalo ang deserve mo. Legit ang election this year.
Voting closes in 10 minutes. After that, we begin the public counting of votes.
So at this moment, we're going to count the votes of the voters. So ballots is accounted for, no tampering detected. So the first ballot.
The first ballot is 1 vote for Capino, 1 vote for Dan Russell, another vote for Capino, another vote for Dan Russell.
So far, everything is matches.
And the final results are Capino got 47 votes and Russell got 44 votes.
Congratulations, Mr. Capino. You are the new student government president.
Congrats, Chris. For 5, Inspector Pumiling for transparent election.
Excellent work, Pumiling team. You demonstrated the real responsibilities of Commission on Election.
We fulfill our duty to ensure free and honest election.
We monitor campaigns fairly.
We reflected the balance in the voting process.
And we enforce the equality for all.
This is what the COMELEC stands for: democracy, fairness, and the voice of the people.
We worked together to make sure that every vote was counted, respected, and valued. That's the real service to the